What's going on, you guys? So today I'm going to walk you through a fix when your account has been locked by Facebook. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So when your Facebook account is locked, it means to say that there are a few unusual activities that's going on with your account. So maybe you've logged in too many times in different devices, or you might mess up your password too many times. Whatever the reason is, if you're in this situation, here are the few things that you can follow. Tap on the Learn More button on the bottom of your screen. Now it's going to take you to this page. So here, type in the mobile number that is linked to your Facebook account. Now it's going to give you a few options on where to send the verification code, so you can use your phone number or your email address. Now once you get the code, type it in the box and tap on Next. And so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.